What is it?
Daddy, see the spider?
The spider?
Yeah.
Yes, I see it.
Yeah.
So what are you playing with?
I play. Look at this one.
What is this? Binocular.
What's inside? What's in there?
If you take it out, you're gonna see it. Look how you take it out without breaking everything, just like that. And what are these toys, Elias?
Look.
You just take it.
We got it out.
Yep.
And the along.
You look funny. Let me see your eye. I see you. I see you. Does it show close? Let me see. Does it show close? Wait. Let me look at you. I see you.
You see me? Look.
Super cool, right?
Yeah.
What are these toys for, Elias? For exploring?
Yeah.
Yes.
And
For exploring,
look at this one.
what will you explore with it? The nature?
Yeah. I can take it out like that. Look.
And what is this?
Um,
Compass.
yeah.
Super cool.
Whoa.
What is it?
This is cool.
This is cool.
Yeah. I can take this out.
What? Can I see? What's inside? Look, when you open it, now you can see where are we. Like you put it down. Look, the south is that way. What is this thing right here? Let's remove it. You see? The south is that way, east is that way, west is that way, and north is that way. That's it. It is going to always show you direction where to go. You know that?
Yeah.
Probably too little to understand that, but we need to work on it.
Yeah. Look.
Super cool. What else? What else do you have in here?
Look at this one.
What is this one? It's a light, flashlight. Super cool toys. Just look. If you wanna take it out. Oh no, it's not working. Look, push it. You got it out. Turn it on. Can you turn it on? Guys, can you turn the flashlight on?
Yeah.
Here we go. Super cool.
One more.
And look at this one, Elias. He's right there. Let me see. What is this one? It's a magnifying glass? Can I see through magnifying glass?
Yeah.
Look. Wow. Look how small it is, and when you put the glass, it's so big. Look at this one. Small, big. Let me see. Let me look at you. Elias small, Elias big. Ooh, Elias, you're so big.
You're so big.
I'm so big, yes.
Look,
Super
this
cool.
way is growing bigger.
Alright.
There is no more.
Okay, so this is an exploration nature exploration kit. Right, Elias? Look, nature exploration kit. We got the. What are these? To catch bugs?
Yeah.
Ready to catch bugs? Give me your nose. Give me your nose.
Big. I'm to open this one.
Oh, what is this for? In case you're lost?
Yeah.
Well, you will never get lost. Yes.
It got out. Yeah.
Wow.
It's super loud.
Super cool, right? What is that box over there?
This is a spider.
There is a spider inside?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh no, the spider is out. Oh, Elias, you catch it with, I don't know what is this. How do you call them? Okay, somewhere here should be an A. What is it? Okay, look, here we go, the name. Tweezers. Tweezers. We got tweezers.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to get the spider not with your hand, but with the tweezers. Look, like this. You'll get the spider and put it back. Put it back in the cup. Where is your cup, Elias? Be careful, be careful. Where is your cup? Cup. Let's look at the spider with a magnifying glass. Look at it. Wow, super big.
I got it.
And where is the cup? Where is the cup?
Right here.
Right there? Put it in there. Oh, spider is secure? Okay, put the cup back. We go. Oh yeah, now spider is not going to go anywhere. And this is a toy spider, right?
Spider is out.
Oh no. This is a toy spider, right, Elias?
Yeah.
We're not gonna catch the real spider to put them in the cup. Or not?
No.
They're not going to die. Because they're spiders and we're gonna take care of them, right? Right, Elias?
Yeah.
We're going to take care of them.
Yeah.
We're not gonna let them suffer, right? We're gonna take care of little spiders that are scared when they see big people. Look, what? Big spider, small spider, big spider, small spider. Big Elias, small Elias, big Elias. Look, big Elias, small Elias. Or little Elias. So how did you like this toy? What is this, Elias?
Ooh.
Is this a bag?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is so fast.
Super cool, right?
Yeah. I got you. I got you.
Great.
I almost got you.
What is this? Let me see. Oh yeah, you have to work fast in order to keep the light going. How did you like it? How did you like this toy?
Wonderful.
Was it wonderful?
Yeah. Oh, what's this?
I think it's the cord for the whistle.
Yeah.
So you can put it on your neck. All right, which one? Okay, which one is your favorite? Let's put it here. Show me which one is your favorite. Which one is your favorite? Okay, we got this one, and we got this one, and we got this one. Which one is your favorite?
A spider.
The spider.
Yeah.
Mine is my magnifying
Yeah.
glass.
And this one for spider.
To catch the spider.
Yeah.
Okay.
The spider.
And the magnifying glass to see how big the spider is.
No, move bigger.
Move bigger?
Yeah.
All right.
Look.
Nature exploration. Nature exploration sounds pretty cool, right, Elias?
Look, it's growing bigger and bigger and bigger.
Right, Elias?
It's growing
Elias,
bigger.
right? Nature exploration sounds pretty cool, right?
Daddy, look, it's bigger.
Elias, right?
Yeah.
Nature exploration sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, look.
Do you like exploring the nature?
Yeah, I see you.
I see you too. Oh, be careful, don't get too close. When you put them out of the way like that, your subject, it appears to be very far. When you turn it around like this, your subject is going to be very close.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Let me see you.
This is far.
Okay, put it on. No, 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 don't put it like this. If it's hard to put it on, don't put it on.
Honey?
Elias, no, you just put it on your eyes and look. Wait, don't get too close. Let me see you. Let me see you. Look at it. Look, let me see your eyes in there. Don't get too close, please. Oh no. Okay. You all done? All done with this toy?
Not yet.
You need to go outside, play with it?
No, I want to play here.
Want to play here?
Yeah. And this is super loud. Look.
Super cool.
It's super loud.
Okay, so nature exploration kit is done.
No.
We're gonna keep playing, but we have to say bye-bye because the video is getting too long.
Part 2.
You gonna film part 2 of the video?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do in part 2 of the video?
Um.
Are you going to collect bugs from outside in the cup?
Yeah.
Yes? We'll see if we have part 2. If you want to film it, cool. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at Daddy. Say
I
bye-bye.
got the lemon.
Come on, man. Look at Daddy. Can I have it? Easy. Easy. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Elias, how many times did I tell you? It's your channel. If you want, you can say it.
I want to say it.
You say it then. Say it. Your friends are right here watching you.
Like this, subscribe. Bye bye, friends. Mwah.
Okay. Great job. Ready to play again?
Yeah.
Okay. See you.
I have games.
You want to have games?
Yeah.
We'll see about that. Bye.
Bye.